So you're in the market for a camera and want to get into making videos. Have you actually thought about your phone in your pocket though? If you want to seriously get into video or simply improve your smartphone videography, this is our Pixel 3 Videography Essentials Starter Kit that will enhance your smartphone video skills almost instantly. Best of all, you don't need to spend a fortune on a brand new camera system. Firstly, a simple way to improve video is by getting a tripod. A great option for shooting flexibility would be the Joby GorillaPod 500, which can literally be placed almost anywhere. You will need a smartphone mount to take advantage of this tiny little stabilizer, but they do help you get steady, static shots from an array of angles or viewpoints. If you want to talk directly to your camera and not hold your phone, this might be the best way to do it, but it also does help you get much more stable shots in general. The flexibility of each tripod leg also means you can bend it and make use of it like most popular vloggers. The size is neat too for simply throwing into a bag or even into a deep pocket. If you want to happen to take your Pixel on the move and capture super smooth video, then a gimbal like this superb FeiyuTech Gimbal might be the perfect travel companion. While the Pixel 3 does have good stabilization already, a gimbal uses a gyroscope to level your device and camera on multiple axes so that you get silky smooth shots. It allows you to get a range of motion too in your footage without wobbles or sudden movements. You can control the movement from the gimbal itself too, so no shaky hands in future videos. We can't talk about mobile videography and not mention the ever-present moment lenses. They serve a great purpose on the Pixel, especially as with a solitary lens, adding extra focal lengths can instantly transform your footage. I have to say that novices should probably stay away from the anamorphic options, at least until they're confident about de-squeezing their footage. That said, every single one of the moment lens options offers superb visual clarity and adds a dimension that the Pixel camera can't manage on its own. It's worth noting that you will need a dedicated moment case though to get started, but they too are exceptional in both look and quality. So the footage has been taken care of, but a big part of video is of course audio. Hey, I struggle to get good audio, and it's one of the areas that smartphones really don't quite match up to a proper dedicated camera system and all the accompaniments. You can remedy this with a cheap but high quality on-camera microphone like the Rode Videomicro. This relatively small microphone does require a hot shoe mount, but a cheap smartphone tripod mount will fix this. Stick the mic into a USB-C to audio cable and you've got on-the-go audio that is way better than the standard Pixel 3 microphone. Okay, so I've got the Rode Videomicro on the top of the Google Pixel 3 XL. Now this is just to give you an indication of the quality of the sound. I'm moving in between a couple of rooms. This is quite an echoey room though, so hopefully this doesn't sound too bad. This is just to give you an indication of what kind of audio comes out of the Rode Videomicro. I don't think it's particularly brilliant, but in terms of like an entry level into smartphone videography, probably might be a good gateway for you to improve all of your audio quality across any device you happen to own. Okay, so what if you just want an all-in-one package? Well, the Shure MV88 Plus video kit might be the ideal starting point. The kit includes all of the base essentials for a startup vlogger or someone looking to begin recording on their Pixel 3. It comes with a much better quality microphone, the Manfrotto Pixie tripod, and the necessary mount to get your Pixel fitted. It's marketed as a starter vlogger kit, and although a little pricey, it might be the best option out there if you just want to get your wheels turning. Okay, so this is the Shure MV88 video kit on top of the Pixel 3a, and obviously I'm recording on the front-facing selfie camera. The microphone does actually have a power in, so it takes power from the device, so hopefully that does mean that you will get better audio quality. And there's also a headphone port so that you can check and monitor your audio coming out. So hopefully this does give you a good indication in a nice echoey room of what the overall quality is like. So let me know what you think. So there are 5 quick and easy ways to seriously up your Pixel 3 videography game in no time. I've left links to each option in the video description below should you want to check any of them out. Before you head off, remember to like the video if you did enjoy it and subscribe for more content just like this. Either way, this is Damien for 95 Google, and I will speak to you later.